In this video, we'll share everything you need to know before traveling to Los Angeles. From the ideal time to visit and the best ways to navigate the city, to must-have apps and practical travel tips, we've got you covered. Make sure to stick around till the end for some bonus tips about hidden gems in Pasadena, Marina Del Rey, Manhattan Beach, Hermosa Beach, and Silverlake. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Have any tips or questions? Drop them in the comments below. Number 16. Understanding Los Angeles. Los Angeles, with its sprawling size and population of over 4 million, is a hub of culture, entertainment, and diversity. The greater LA area blends seamlessly with surrounding neighborhoods like The Grove, Redondo Beach, and Los Feliz, creating a vast urban expanse. Want to get your bearings? Here's a quick overview. Malibu. Known for pristine beaches and upscale homes. West Side includes iconic spots like Venice Beach, Santa Monica Pier, and Beverly Hills. Downtown LA, a mix of skyscrapers, historic landmarks, and trendy eateries. Hollywood, home to the Walk of Fame, the iconic sign, and Universal Studios in the Valley. Long Beach, Southeast LA's coastal retreat with stunning views and activities. Attractions are scattered across this massive area, so expect to spend time commuting between hotspots. Number 15. Mastering the traffic. Los Angeles is infamous for its traffic congestion, and with over 50 miles of city to navigate, delays are almost unavoidable. Here's how to outsmart the gridlock. Use apps like Google Maps or Waze for real-time updates. Avoid peak rush hours, 7 to 10 a.m. and 4 to 7 p.m. Midday and late evenings are your best bets. Carpool lanes can save you time if you're not traveling solo. Number 14. Safety in LA. While Los Angeles is generally safe, keep an eye out for pickpocketing, especially in busy areas like Hollywood or on public transport. Avoid buying tickets from street vendors to steer clear of scams. Number 13. Climate and weather. LA boasts a Mediterranean climate, offering mild winters and hot summers. Summer, July-September. Hot and dry with highs averaging 84 degrees Fahrenheit, 29 degrees Celsius. Ocean temperatures, however, stay cool around 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius. Spring and fall, the best times to visit, with pleasant temperatures and fewer crowds. Winter, cooler and rainier with average highs of 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius. One downside? LA's infamous smog. You might notice hazy skies, especially during warmer months. Number 12. Best time to visit. Plan your trip between March to May or September to November for the perfect mix of great weather and smaller crowds. This window is ideal for exploring the outdoors or enjoying indoor activities. Number 11. Choosing where to stay with attractions spread across the city. Picking the right area to stay is crucial. Top neighborhoods include Beach Lovers, Santa Monica, Venice Beach, or Manhattan Beach. Nightlife, West Hollywood or Silverlake. Luxury and glamour, Beverly Hills. Central attractions, downtown LA. Pro tip, check out Airbnb or budget hotel apps for the best deals. Number 10. Getting around navigating LA can be tricky due to its size and limited public transport options. From LAX, options include rental cars, ride shares like Uber or Lyft, or the affordable flyaway bus. If you're staying for a while, consider buying a TAP card for public transport or renting a car for maximum flexibility. Number 9. Must-have apps for your trip. Make the most of your time in LA with these apps. Google Maps or Waze, beat the traffic. ParkWiz, find the best parking spots. Gas Buddy, save on gas prices. 5. Every day, discover 5 fun things to do daily. Bird or Lime, rent scooters for short city rides. Number 8. The wait is real. In Los Angeles, patience is key. Expect lines at restaurants, attractions, and even parking lots. especially during peak hours. Number 7. Food scene. Foodies will love LA's culinary diversity. Check out Grand Central Market for global cuisine or use apps like Yelp to find hidden gems. Average meal costs: $15 for budget-friendly eats, $60 for a mid-range dinner for two. Number 6. Tips for international visitors. Tipping. Leave 15 to 20% at restaurants and $1 to $2 per drink at bars. Power adapters. Bring a US-compatible adapter for your devices. Number 5. Drinking water. Tap water in LA meets safety standards but might taste different. Carry a reusable bottle to save money. Number 4. Coupons and deals. Save on activities by browsing apps like Groupon for discounts on tours, shows, and dining. Number 3. Affordable attractions. LA's top attractions like Universal Studios can be pricey. Consider the Go Los Angeles card for discounted access to multiple sites. On a budget, visit free spots like the Griffith Observatory or the Getty Center. Number 2. Staying connected. Access free Wi-Fi at cafes, libraries, and public spaces. Apps like Wi-Fi Finder can help you locate nearby hotspots. For data on the go, prepaid SIM cards from T-Mobile
Hollywood
or
sign,
Mint
Echo
offer
Park,
affordable
Baldwin
options.
Hills, scenic overlook.
Number 1. Best views of LA. Catch breathtaking views of the city from Griffith Observatory, Hollywood sign, Baldwin Hills, scenic overlook, Mount Wilson Observatory, overlook, Mount Wilson Observatory, City Hall, Getty Center, etc. But you can also pay and see the city from another perspective from OUE Sky Space, LA, the tallest observation deck in California, and ride on their sky slide stretching directly above downtown Los Angeles.